Now get this, counterfeit goods worth millions of shillings have been impounded from 3 Chinese traders who were exhibiting fake cables bearing the name East African Cables. The 3 had displayed their products at an exhibition space inside the Kenyatta International Convention Centre when police swooped in to arrest them. The goods included flat twin and earth cable, single core insulated cables, flat CPS cables and flexible PVC-insulated sheath cables. Others were house electrical wires and cables, multi-core cables and speaker cables.
We have something here. We are the guests. We was invited.
Yeah, they say they're the guests, probably the guests of the state now. The Kenya Revenue Authority has shut down a factory legally repackaging liquefied petroleum gas in Kabuko, Limuru. Officials from the KRA Anti-Counterfeit Unit and the Energy Regulatory Commission raided the Kabuko gas factory in Limuru and impounded illegally repackaged LPG cylinders from about 29 brands. KRA says the factory has been operating without a license and was not certified by the Kenya Bureau of Standards. The company was also not tax compliant.
And the NEMA are supposed to deal with this situation. They are supposed to seize these products, the anti-counterfeit, because these are they have counterfeited the products of other brand owners. They are supposed to seize